eating yogurt. Everyone, like and subscribe to our channel. And today we are eating yogurt. I really want to go today. And then mommy picked me up from school. And then mommy takes me to walk. And then I got the peanuts and egg. And mommy sings to me. And everyone's here with Daddy and Grandpa. They forwards here. And we two gone out. And then I started to come home with Mr. Manley. And also, Mommy was tired. Funny. And I'm eating inside with every my yogurt book. And now we are starting to eat yogurt with a little spoon. And now that begins after rest. Eating. We're eating. Is it? Is a lot. I think it'll give the way out. Eric, come. What's all you guys over there? Papa, Daddy. That's not Daddy, that's us. And now we're back home safe. Papa, oh no. Oh no. There's no piano in there because we're here. Hi. Yum. Makanya. Coba. Pa. Oh no. I'm sorry, I just put some of the yogurt on every. Papa, oh no, there's no piano in there. Daddy, oh no, oh no.
Oh no?
Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
Papa. Oh no. There's no piano in there. And now I started to create my own way. I don't copy it, but I'm still saying. And then Mommy is cooking in the kitchen. And we two are doing a video. If Mommy's busy, I won't know what we are doing. Papa. Second.
Kitchen. Kitchen.
Pharaoh. And now something's scratching me. Oh.